welcome back to my channel. And ngayon, so last time nagsolve tayo ng MM1. Ngayon magsasolve naman tayo ng MMM. So ito pa rin si Amira pa rin. Si Amira, the branch manager of BPI, and she's looking to improve customer service by managing the queue system. She has now 2 registers or tellers sa bank, and she knows that the average number of customers arriving and being serviced. The average arrival rate of customers is 15 customers per hour, and each cashier can serve an average of 17 customers per hour. So, ngayon, ang hinahanap ni Amira is the question is, what is the probability that both tellers are busy? What is the probability that the shop has no customers? How many customers are in the system on average? How much time does a customer spend in the system on average? How many customers are waiting to be served on average? And how much time does a customer spend waiting on average? And what is the probability that I'm meron? So, ayun, okay na. So, ito na susolve natin. So, ang una nating isosolve para sa MMM is yung PO, or probability that there are no, that the clients or the teller is not, that there are no customers in the teller or walang customer. So, sa PO, kailangan natin dito is gamit tayo nung appendix wherein gagamitin ko yung binigay ni sir. So, yan sa screen. Makikita ko na lang. Then, so, ang lalagay natin doon is PO, M, lambda, and mu, which is yung 2, 15, and 17. So, ito. M, lambda, mu, 2, 15, and 17. Which is para makuha. So, hanapin natin sa taas. Or yung lambda sa taas na 15. And sa gilid is yung 17. So, kapag hinahanap natin yung intersection ng dalawa, makikita natin na nakalagay doon is 0.3878 or 38.78%. So, yan, 3878 or 38.78%. So, next na hanapin natin is yung L, which is yung average na customers na nasa system. So, ang solution dyan is lambda times mu times lambda over mu squared times PO over 2 mu minus lambda squared plus lambda over mu, which is equals to 15 times 17 times 15 over 17 squared times 0.3878 over 2 times 17 minus 15 squared plus 15 over 17, which is equals to 1.0956 or 1.1 na. The next is yung W, or average spending time sa loob ng system ng isang client. So, ang solution is L over lambda, which is yung 1.0956 over 15 na lambda. So, equals to sa 0.0730 or 0.07 na lang. Then, LQ, average na client na nakapila. So, ang solution is L minus lambda over mu, which is 1.0956 minus 15 over 17. So, hindi ko nasulat. Equals siya sa 0.2132 or 0.21. The next is yung WQ. So, sa WQ, and yung average na oras ng paghihintay sa line ng isang client. So, solution is LQ over lambda. Then, equal siya sa 0.2132 over 15 is equals to 0.0142 or 0.01 na lang. Then, yung probability na busy yung ating teller is lambda over m times mu, which is 15 over 2 times 17 is equals to 0.4412 or 44.12%. So, next, sa costing naman, so si Amira is, alam niya yung yung bank is open for 8 hours a day. Then, interested din siya in analyzing the system's performance and determining the cost associated with this service. So, yung labor cost per cashier is $10 per hour and the opportunity cost per waiting customer is $5 per hour. So, what is the total cost per shift, including labor cost and waiting cost? So, pagsusolve. So, yan. Sana. TS per hour is equals to M times CS is equals to 2 times 10 is equals to 20. TS per shift is equals to TS per hour times hours na 8 is equals to 20 times 8 is 160. TW per hour is lambda WQ times CW. So, 15 times 0.0142 times 5 equals to 1.065. So, TW shift, multiply lang natin sa 8 hours equals sa 8.52. Then, TC per hour, add lang natin 20 plus 1.065 is equals to 21.065. Then, TC shift is equals to 160 plus 8.52. Yung mga shift natin is equals to 168.52. So, para sa ating conclusion, so while the total service cost is now $160 per shift, Amira should expect a much smaller total cost of $168.52 because of the opportunity loss of only $8.52.